If screen mirroring is not working on your iPhone, to connect your iPhone over to a computer or a TV, I'll walk you through steps to definitely get that fixed. So the first thing we're going to do is swipe down from the top right and just toggle airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it back off. See if reconnecting to your Wi-Fi fixes that issue. If that doesn't fix it, let's head into the settings app on your iPhone. And then we're going to tap on Wi-Fi midway down, and then tap on the little I right next to your Wi-Fi network. I would recommend scrolling down from here and tapping on private Wi-Fi address, and you can try to turn this off for a little bit to allow tracking, or you can set it to a fixed Wi-Fi address. In addition to that, if you go back out of here, you need to make sure your iPhone and the TV or computer are connected to the exact same network. It needs to be exact same for that mirroring to work. Next, we're going to tap the back arrow, scroll down and tap on General. And then scroll down and tap on AirPlay and Continuity, and tap on Automatically AirPlay. You can see it says AirPlay, which essentially is the exact same as screen mirroring. It's just Apple's version of screen mirroring. You want to set this instead of never, either to ask or automatic. I usually have it just set to automatic. After you've done that, try swiping down from the top right and tapping on the screen mirroring to see if it pops up at this point. If it doesn't, that's no problem. Let's just go back in your settings to the beginning of your settings. Tap on General towards the bottom, and then scroll down to the bottom. Tap on VPN and Device Management, and check to see if you're connected to a VPN. If you are, I would highly recommend tapping on it and turning that VPN off to see if that fixes it. However, if it doesn't fix it, just tap the back arrow again, and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and then we're going to choose Reset Network Settings. From here, we're going to enter in the passcode used to unlock your phone, and enter in that screen time passcode as well. Just reset your network settings. This almost always fixes the issue with screen mirroring. And if you go through all of these steps and it's still not working, the last thing we can do is a force restart. So press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button. I'll show you how it works. Volume up, volume down, and then press and hold the side button. You can keep holding it even though it says slide power off. Just wait until the entire iPhone screen goes black, and then wait for the Apple logo. At that point, you'll release your finger and you'll be good to go. Just like that, you've done that force restart. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.